So what's up, guys? This is day 4 of the NSE Investment Challenge 2025, and we're gonna look at today we're gonna look at analyzing analytics, the rest of the things that are happening that are happening on this platform, in order for you to make an informed decision of ni stocks gani you're supposed to take. Okay, let's do this. So ukiangalia, when you look at this site, as we're looking at me, we see over here yesterday we made some trades. Yesterday we bought an SC, and then yesterday we also bought an BV, and then what else? And we can see over here already, Liberty Holdings has gone up by 4.3%, Centum Holdings has gone up by 4.5%, KCB Group has gone up by 4.8%, and ABS has gone by. So already yesterday we bought some things, and then I'm seeing over here, you see, like the stocks we bought like 2 days ago. Capture T has gone down, Williamson T has gone down, NCB has gone down, Express Kenya has gone down. Hey, damn, all the stocks I bought juicy, all of them have gone down. But we never give up. At the end of the day, we gotta go. So on my watch list, there's a bunch of companies that I've already traded. They've gone. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at everything. So since the stock has come up right now, we're going to find out which stocks we're going to watch for. How do you do analytics? At the end of the day, this is not like advice for trading or anything like that. Me, I'm just learning the way that you are. It's just that my learning is, I'm just trying to teach myself some things. Hopefully eventually we'll get somebody to show us how to navigate all these things. But for now, do it yourself. Just as I am, you gotta do it yourself, you gotta do this thing yourself. I'm looking at all these things. I don't even know what I'm looking at, but we're going to find out. We're going to figure it out at the end of the day, one step after the other. Okay. So we're looking at, for everybody that's just joining, this is the NSE Investment Challenge 2025. We're just trying to, I'm just trying to show you guys my routine of going through this thing. I found this thing through LinkedIn, through the CEO of NSE. Is called Frank Mwiti. I saw he posted this thing, so I was like, let me give it a try, and it looks good. From everything that it looks so far, it looks really good. And yeah, so we're gonna go to analytics. So first of all, we're gonna look at everything that I've put on my watch list, Nairobi Securities Exchange PLC. So we're gonna go to the analytics. And then we're going to look at Nairobi Securities Exchange PLC. Make sure you have a pen and a notepad so that anytime you feel like writing something, it doesn't go to waste. So Nairobi Security Exchange PLC. Security Exchange PLC. So if you don't have a notepad, I know some of you mnajaribu kwa digital and all that good stuff, man. So you can go down here and you can get your notepad and your calculator. Notepad, calculator, and then you can put something for yourself. Oh, my notepad is going all the way. So let's look for the notepad. Anyway. So you can have your notepad, you can have your Nini. So NSE so far it's been going up, even though it's been having a sharp drop. So this looks like something you can invest in long term, because so far it's been going up from May. If somebody invested 5 shillings, 6 shillings in May, let's say like you bought like 10,000 at 10,000 of this, that's 60k. You'd have what? Let's see. Let's look for a calculator here. Let's calculate this. Okay, so we have a calculator because like it only at the end of the day. So if you bought, let's say 10,000 of these shares, so that's 60k when it was 6 shillings. 60k, and then now 10,000 of these shares have become 198k. So let's say 198,000 minus 60k equals 138k divided by 60,000 divided by 60k. That's 2.3% increase. No, wait, times 100 times 100. Damn, that's a 230% increase. What? So if somebody actually made this play in March, right now you'd have a 230% increase on your money. Yeah, that's a good investment, I think. Yeah, so yeah, Nairobi Security Exchange. Let's see what Nairobi Security Exchange is. So it's NSE. It's all the stocks of NSE. I don't know what Nairobi Security Exchange is, but strong buy. So I think I'm just gonna leave my money over there. I'm gonna remove my money from the Nini. But so far, analyzing this thing, you can see from the board how it goes. This thing has just been going up and up and up and up and up and up and up, especially during this time between September and November. So let's go back to my watch list. Let's go and analyze standard. So far, Nairobi Security Exchange PLC. I think I'm just going to leave my money there. I'm not going to remove anything so that we see if it's going to rise over the next few weeks or it's going to fall. So I'm going to remove. What I'm going to do, I'm going back to my dashboard and I'm going to sell this Nairobi Business Ventures. So if you analyze Nairobi Business Ventures so far, if you see it from perspective of like, it's been going down. I don't know why, but it's been going down. Maybe there's a reason for that. Maybe there's after all, this part, Maze, is where now we show analysis. Like, how do you analyze these things? And you know that you're given charts to analyze. You know, some people analyze it by the hour, some people analyze it by the day. Maybe it's, you know, because like if you remember yesterday what we said, that it takes 6 minutes after you bought, you take 6 minutes before you can actually sell again. And what I'm guessing, in the world of finance, a lot can happen in 6 minutes. A lot can be executed in 6 minutes. So Nairobi Business Ventures, Bilamina Yangalia, I don't think I'm going to keep myself. I'm going to sell everything I have over there. So it's 999. So I had 999. So I'm going to just submit the sell order. I'm not really going to say anything, but yeah. So, but if you go back and then now look at the NSE, we have 38,000 over there. So if you look at the NSE, it's steady going up. I wish I bought this in the first instance when I saw it. You see, from 2021 all this year, this thing has shot up. Oh my god, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look from you can see from July, from July all the way now. If you look at from July to October to November, this thing has gone up. So if I actually bought during, this was November 1 or November to October, if you actually started buying this thing from the beginning of the challenge, I'm guessing till now, you would have, let's say the beginning of the challenge, let's say 29th October. So at 29th October, and then you bought like at 16, so it was 14 shillings, and then you buy at 19, 14 shillings. So let's say you bought 10,000 of them. Let's bring out the calculator again. Let's say you bought 14 shillings, 10,000 of them at 14 shillings. So that's at 140k. And then now it's 198k. So it's 198,000. So you buy 10,000 of those shares at 14 bob, and then you should sub, so minus 140k. 140k, that's 58,000. So if you divide that by 140k, the original amount, 0 point, and then times 100, to make it a percentage. So 41%, a 41% increase in a matter of days. Damn, see a lot of people have gotten rich off of this thing. I say, hey, me I would have bought, but how many? What's the limit of somebody can buy? Volume traded 3,700. I don't know if there's a limit to somebody can buy. Me, I bought like maybe I'll even buy a bit more because now when I look at it, I have 38,000 here. So if I have 38,000 here, I think I'm going to hold on to that one since it's still rising. Maybe it'll figure like 25 shillings or 30 shillings. And then maybe I can sell because now December I don't think December there'll be any activity going on. So let's go back to analytics. So let's analyze another stock. Okay, so the ones that are on my watch list. So far, the ones that are on my watch list, let's go to Standard Chartered. Let's go to Standard Chartered, analytics. When you say analytics, let's go to Standard Chartered. On my watch list. So there's on my watch list. Let's look for Standard Chartered. Standard stocks. Standard Chartered PLC. So let's look at Standard Chartered PLC. This symbol is only available on TradingView. So let's go back. Let's see Standard Chartered on my watch list over here. NCBK, Standard Chartered, NSE. How long ago was this? So if we go down here, so this is in a matter of months. If we go down here and look at over the years, let's see. Pia Standard Chartered imepanda. What the hell? Okay, so Standard Chartered pia imepanda. As you can see from the years, this company has gone up. That's why people play the long game. I guess that's why people actually play the long game, because if you see the way these companies have been moving, if you bought and then kept your money and played the long game, let's say you bought in 2024, 148. Let's pull out the calculator. It was 148. Let's say somebody bought it at 148 shillings. Let's say you bought 10,000 shares at 148. 10,000 shares, that's 148k. 148,000. And then right now it's at 314 shillings 25 cents. So that's 314 shillings 314 250. It says it's 10,000 shares. Minus 148k. When it was 2024, when it was 148,000 shillings. That's an increase of 166,000. So if you divide this by 148k, so that we can get the percentage increase. If you divide this, that's times, and then times 100, so you can get the percentage. That's 112 profit. So now you'd have 112% profit, like over the years. Like instead of even putting it in a bank, like hii pesa inaongezeka by 112k, but saa lazima uchague ni stocks gani mazuri unanunua na unaziweka long term. When the stock exchange is this lucrative, like even badala ya kuweka pesa yako kwa bank mazuri unaziweka kwa stock, lakini sasa huwezi jua mazeka kampuni itafeli. Lakini Standard Chartered is an international company, so hakuna venye mazee, there's no way you can, well, shout out to Standard Chartered, man. Equity, let's now go back to, remember we're just analyzing, today we're not really buying, we're not really selling, We're just gonna keep the analytics. If you want to buy, sell. If you want to sell, sell. But at the end of the day, this is not advice. I'm just showing you how this thing goes so that you can know which ones to buy and which ones to sell. So we're just doing analysis of the ones I have on my watch list. So now we have equity. By the equity, juzi they opened up. Equity ikipanda. Okay, so equity has been sporadic. Equity has just been going up and down, up and down, up and down. But of late, recently, what happened here, man? Let's see. So between October, October 1st and right now, it's been a jump, like 10 shilling jump in the stocks for equity. Damn, man. Whoever. And then you see that at the end of the day, it's up to you to make your own decisions. It's not me who's making this decision for you, because this is just analyzing. We're just analyzing everything, and then from there now we go see how it plays out. So it has jumped. What? Based off especially since, I think, was it last week that they opened, well, if they opened an academy. I don't know if it's an academy. I saw the news some time ago. My Equity opened an academy. I don't know if it's here. Sometimes I usually go to this thing. It's called Kenyan Wall Street for like business news. Tanzania, whatever is happening in Tanzania, Maze, we pray for the people of Tanzania. We hope, Maze, you guys get back on track, because over here it's saying Tanzanian internet blackout has cost over 238 million in paradigm shift. And that being said, also the lives lost and everything. I didn't want to get into this, but this is the reality of our world. This is the reality of how business is affected. If your country goes to war, then if your country, doesn't see peace, let me not say war. If your country doesn't see peace, then money is also affected. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Enough about that. So let's go back to this. Analytics. So what are we looking at? We're looking at the analytics of, I hope equity is over here. There's ABSA, there's Standard. This is Standard Chartered. There's equity. Equity is over here. So as you can see, over the years, equity has gone up. So like right now, it's at 70. The dividends payout ratio. There's no information for the payout ratio. So let's see. If let's buy some equity shares. Let's buy equity shares. Since at the end of the day they have a very strong CEO, and they've recently gone into some things that might make the stock go up over the next few days. So let's see. Well, this is the peak. I don't know. When you look at this chart, it goes up and then it goes down. It goes up and then it goes down. It goes up and then it goes down. But overall, in the long term, it goes up. So, okay, sawa basi. Kapchorua T. Let's see Kapchorua T. Kapchorua T. Let's see the analytics for Kapchorua T. Damn, what? I don't know what's going on, but let's see over the long term. The stocks have been rising from this time of October. This one, like there's a time between September and October, but this one has gone down. So this one we're not really gonna buy. We're just hoping it'll. I don't know what's going on there, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try and find out. Market watch, my watch list. Let's go back again. Kenya Power, Maze, the stock is woo, damn, Kenya Power, what? From 2 bob to guy. What? If if I had money right now, when at the beginning of the year, who would have thought Kenya Power would go up so high? Look at all this. Like from here to here to here to here to here. So like if there was any stock to buy this year, it would have been Kenya Power. I'm not saying anything, but I just look, it's analyzing. You just look, this stock is just going up. It's just going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. But so far it's gone down again. So okay, so Abasi. Well, like hey, that's really amazing. Kabasid, Cab Kabasid has gone up. So far Kabasid is going up. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy like 1,000, no, let's say like 450 of Kabasid shares and just let it sit. So if it goes down, so if it goes up, well and good. So around this time it was what? Wait. What time is this? What time is this? What month is this? What month is this? Wait. This is just juicy. Hey, you got 26 bob alafu saa hey, hapana. Man, somebody tell me, mas it nearly happened between the beginning of the month and right now. Eh, my stocks tu zinapanda bana. Ama Kenya mazee, somebody is watching Kenya and is like, yeah, it's a good place to invest. Either way, it's good that the markets are going up. Umeme mazee, umeme has gone down. But let's see it over the years, over the years, over the years, over the years, over the year. Ooh, okay. So over the years, there's a time it had a sharp increase over here in June, July. Maybe somebody knows something I don't, but yeah, 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 yeah. That's I don't know what happened, but okay. So let's go back to the watch list again. Let's go back to the watch list again. Unga Group. Let's see Unga Group. Huh? Unga Group. Unga Group over the years, it's a steady stock. I don't know what happened in 2018 all the way till here that it's gone down and then it's gone up again. Unga Group PLC. Well, I don't know much about Unga Group, but we're gonna watch out for it again. And then now Car General, especially right now since people are going for the holiday season. Between up October, between September and let's see it during the Nini. So between 2020 and right now, in general, there's a time as it went up between April and March of 2022, and then 2023, and then now let me buy like 200. I'm at 300 in general. Holiday season may see a peak in buying from Car and General. Car a peak. At the end of the day, we have to risk. We have to risk so that we can see whether something works out or something doesn't work out. So, okay, we were just from buying Nairobi PLC Ventures, Nairobi Business Ventures PLC, Britam. Let's see Britam, the last one over here, Britam. So, Britam, Britam, especially this holiday season, Britam will go up. I don't know, Britam. At the end of the day, we're just trying to analyze. We're trying to analyze in the short term. Me, I'm just taking you through. Majority of people usually sit through these things through the whole day. Mtu analyze, anapiga hesabu mazee, sijui ana subtract, ana add, at the end of the day, hopefully we'll get somebody who will once again show us how this thing goes, and then from there, maybe I don't know. We'll get a chance to visit the Nairobi Stock Exchange. So I don't know. It would be nice. It would be nice to actually see how these things work, because people are making money out of this. Like if somebody told me like to put money on like Standard Chartered Maze over the last like 1 year instead of putting money in a bank, oh my god. Anyway, at the end of the day, it's all about watching the market. You have to watch the market day in day out. The way I'm seeing this, that's why right now it's 11:30. Yesterday I was recording at like 3. Right now it's 11:30. So like if you can see how this market plays out from this time to another time, during the whole day, then well and good. Hopefully I'm going to be making more and more of these videos so that we can find out. So Britam Holdings, no. So equity prices. So market data and equity prices. We can see now from analyzing, we can see now how the changes that have been going on through the market. No, I don't know which one is this. Who is this? Is this? So once you see Limuru tea, Limuru tea, man, Limuru tea is a big thing. But so far the stocks haven't been going. So this, I guess this is an ini for trading view. Like let's say Sassini. Trading view now you get to see the stocks now in real time. How the stocks are going. Man, let's put this thing on what's it called? Like a book tab. Bookmark. Yeah. So trading view. I guess trading view is a place for where you see your markets. Kenya, and also where you find the news. Kenyan stocks, most volatile stocks, Safaricom. This is also a place for analyzing Sindo Kapchuruati, NCBA Group, WPP, Scan Group PLC, Kenya Power. Yeah. I guess this one has, look, forex currencies, Kenya economy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Man, we got some things going over here, man. Some juicy things over here. What the hell? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. So stand east KCB. I don't know nini KCB ama nisinunue. Acha tuangalie nini ya KCB kwanza. KCB. Let's see KCB. Oh, and it opens. Ndio KCB has had a 5% gain. Let's see stock yake mazee imekuaje. So 1 day, 6 months, 6 months. Ooh, 6 months. Ooh, 5 years. What? Hey, kitu imepanda, man. What the hell? Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hey. I guess, Maze, if you're buying stocks, you better buy bank stocks, Maze, because bank stocks are going up. Standard Chartered, KCB. Because I have some of my money in KCB at Kianani. What? Should open up my account again. KCB, DTK, Diamond Trust Bank of Kenya, NCBA has gone up also. See, like you can see over 5 years. Now over here they give you also the analytics you can see over the. So now, like let's say over the last 6 months, if you invested in KCB stocks, your stocks would have funded by 76%. That's a lot. What? you had 10k, your 10k right now would be 76. What? Hey, banks have been killing it. What? Over the last 6 months. Hey, goddamn, man, banks have been killing it. What? 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 Okay. So, sir, okay. And then now we go to commercial services. So over here you just see you're looking at the changes. The value, the change, open high, open low, the previous price. So the previous price is 1350. Right now it's high, and the low it's gone down to 1330. So this price is change in real time. Let's see commercial services. Let's see like KQ. Let's see how KQ has been doing. KQ stock. So okay, KQ stock was here for the past 6 months. They haven't been doing too good. For the past, you would have lost your money. I don't know what's going on in KQ, but I hope they get better. Mazi. This is our what's it called? Our then we'll try and do something with KQ Kianani. If anything, Mazi, KQ should go up, Mazi. At the end of the day, no feelings, no fuss, no muss. Okay, saw, Basi, saw. ARM construction and allied. Let's say like Bamburi now. Let's look at Bamburi stock. At the end of the day, we're just trying to analyze. And when you see the trading view, the way trading view has put this thing, you can see how the stocks go from 1 inch to another, from 1 year to another. They give you, like you see, like over here they give you how well your stocks have been performing. So the banks have been performing, man. KPLC, let's see KPLC over here. So KCB wacha tuitoe mazee. Limuruti 6 months, year to date. Damn, man, what? 32%. That's a lot. So so if let's see how equity is there. Ooh, what? 6 months, 150. What? AKPLC, mazee. What? 5 years, 600. What? What? So if you had just put your money 5 years ago into this, what? And your guys are making money. I don't lie, guys are making money. A 667% increase. Yeah, that's a lot. Guys are what? What? At the end of the day, analysis, man. That's the word of today. Cash analysis. So acha tuone okay, sawa. Unajua nini? On my watch list niliweka KPLC hapo, si ndio? Vile nimeona sahii market on my watch list niliweka KPLC. Vile naona sahii, acha tu ninunue KPLC ingine, si ndio? We'll just keep it there and see how it goes over some time, si ndio? KPLC vile niliuza jana mazee, so acha ninunue like 1,000 shares za KPLC tuiweke hapo, si ndio? Trade reason a growth, atakaa a growth in the, lakini what with this thing of the power rationing, am I sure it'll go up or it'll just go down? Hey, will the stock go down? I don't think so. Growth, trade reason, overall growth during the year, growth till the year. Hey, I'm on shipping at the hype till the year end. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see. So tuko na nini? So if you go back to the dashboard, we have some nini in general, KCB, Centum. But let's go see Centum. Centum kuna time ilikuwa juu. Yeah man, kuna time ilikuwa juu man. Like if you see it from this perspective, Centum kuna time ilikuwa juu. Do I buy? Let's see. You know what? What we're gonna do, Centum, we're gonna put it on a watch list. So also KCB, we're gonna put it on the watch list. KCB, we're gonna put it on the watch list. So then we're gonna mi naona bado ijamaliza kurise. So we're going to buy 200 shares of KCB, still on the rise. So submit. Remove from, okay, so we put KCB on the watch. At the end of the day, you analyze and then you see which one is there, which one is gone, which one is mini. At the end of the day, you see like this trading view mazee inakupea like sisi Bamburi stock mazee imekuwa ikienda chini, QQ imekuwa ikienda chini na hii ingine mazee imekuwa ikienda chini. So KPLC, man, who would have thought, man? KPLC, I know a lot of people think like, okay, let's see trading view, Cab Acid. Okay, wait. Cab Acid hapa kwa analytics, equity prices, ndio. Cab Acid iko wapi? Cab Acid. Let's see Cab Acid. Damn, 60% over the last 6 months. Over the last 5 days, 13.2. Over the last 1 day, 3.52. So, damn man, that's a lot. Unga, Safaricom, let's see Safaricom. Kila mtu mazee anajuanga Safaricom, sindio? So Safaricom, hata kwa my watch list mazacha tu niweke Safaricom pia, market watch Safaricom aka kwa watch list. Dashboard. So as you can see now, everything now is spread out vizuri, sindio? So oh my god, things are just going down. You know what, we're just going to hold steady. We're going to hold steady until something happens, sindio? Hey, watu hapa mazee wana make moves man, god damn. 26 profit. Hey, 26k profit. Hey, that's a lot of profit mazee. Okay, so equity prices so far so good. At the end of the day, we're just analyzing. So, 76% over the last 6 months, 59%. Hey, year to date, 76%. Hey, that's a lot. So equity prices now, equity prices you look at. So the previous price is for the last traded days, yenye ilikuwa from the last traded day, and then now the market price over right now, sindio? And then from there now, the 87 like NCBA, this is banking, this is investment tumeangalia Centum, but tuangalie Centum investment, and then now TCL. I don't know what TCL is. We're going to look at TCL also. Transcentury over the last few months. I don't know. The CEO, you can see that they deal in electrical products. Nganjinu is a nini. And then here, Maze, we have financial conglomerates. Over the last 6 months, 40% increase. Well, Centum, whatever it is you're doing, keep doing it, man. NSE, let's see now the NSE investment price. Now let's see like the NSE now. If you actually invested in the whole of Nairobi Securities Exchange, how would you fare? 178 2%. What? I'm keeping my money there. Acha tu niweke tu pesa yangu hapo. We'll see how the next few months goes. How the next month goes. At the end of the day, man, ni kujaribu. Huwezi sema mazee ati unaweka pesa leo alafu inini kesho. New gold issuer 22%. Damn, new gold issuer ABSA. It's by ABSA. It's passive. So we're going to put also ABSA on our watch list. ABSA. I don't know why we should buy ABSA shares. Ndio. ABSA mazee kuna vinya mnaiangalia hivi. Tunafaa kununua some ABSA shares. Ndio. Let's see ABSA. Let's buy some ABSA shares. So buy like 500 shares. Ndio. The ABSA. Strong season to rise. Nimenunua equity. Submitting. Ndio. Equity. Sijui kama nimenunua equity. Let's buy some equity. And if we go down, it'll definitely go up. Let's buy 320 shares of equity. Ndio. Let's risk it. At the end of the day, recent investment in the youth could seize opportunity in long-term growth. Well, at the end of the day, there's something I saw yesterday on the news about equity, and that's why I want to buy their shares. They invested in an academy an academy for equity. So, like, I know it's saying sell, but let's see long term how it goes. Don't let me down, man. Anyway, so besides that, when you look at this platform over here, there's also where the news are. So ABSA, did you buy ABSA? Let's go back to the dashboard. So we have equity, KPLC, ABSA. So let's view all my holdings. So in general, we'll just let this sit for a while. At the end of the day, hakuna mtu mzee amesema, sindio? We're going to analyze for the next few days and then see how the stocks go up and how the stocks go down. So over here you have news for all the companies that are the up-to-date news. You can see the like bulletin versions. So you have the news, you have the corporate announcements. You have corporate announcements, standard groups, notice of AGM, East African cables, AGM resolutions and votings, PDF. Like you can if you want to make much more analysis other than the ones that you've seen, you can open this and see the half year, the PDFs for the various companies. These are also important, Maze. I hope I find somebody to get what. You see all these things that are here, Maze. Vitu zenye wasi wengi maze uhata 106th annual greetings, Maze. Vitu zenye wasi uhata maze usipoangalia from the news. Man, whoever made this thing, good stuff. It's amazing. We're going to find out whoever made it. At the end of the day, ignorance is not bliss. It's good to know something. So over here you have how to read these things. I guess these things are very important. The people who actually comb through these things and actually read them. I hope I meet you one day. I hope I meet you soon. Whoever analyzes these things, because in as much as they look boring, they're very important. You see, they're very important. And what? and we're going to find out what analyzing all these things, like you see, like Stanbic PLC. This is their unaudited results of the half year ended June 2024. I guess they have meaning. You see, Nation Media Group 6 months June 2024, 2023 resolutions. I guess they need to be updated. Let's see Standard Group. BAT resolutions. Let's see Standard Group. Standard Group's ordinary business. 106th annual general meeting. Yeah, that's amazing, man. So over here you have your news. CAC announced the first, as limited as they may be. I guess there's it's news for different companies and it's updated based on the nini or based on the different companies that are that are all over here. So you can find the information that you need, and then from there, I guess, do your own analysis, do your own at the end of the day, it's all up to you. Like me, I'm just learning about these things by myself. The reason I'm making these videos for you is so that even you can get the initiative to learn for yourself. And as you can see, there are people who are making money from this. Like if somebody invested in Safaricom shares and just let them sit there, they would have made 57% profit. If somebody would have put their money in Carb Acid, if somebody would have put the biggest one, KPLC, man, who'd have thought, if somebody had have put their money in KPLC. Where's KPLC? Let's see KPLC. Where's KPLC? My watch list, KPLC, analytics. Where's the equity prices? Equity prices, energy. Yeah, you see how I'm getting at analyzing this thing. Energy and petroleum, KPLC. So let's see a trading view. Tutoe hizi vitu zingine zote. Like kama kuna mtu angeka tu share zake kwa KPLC at the beginning of the year, kwa analyze tu, unge make 116% profit. So the guys making money out of this. So it's up to you to make your own analysis. At the end of the day, me, I'm not advising anybody to do anything. It's up to you to make your own analysis, and then from there, if you fail, well, at the end of the day, every failure is a lesson. As you can see, for me over the last 3 days, nimekuwa tu nikikula nunge nimekuwa tu nikipata tu mazero, but at some point I'll rise there's no, it's like riding a bike. At some point nitajua vile kufanya, si ndio? Okay, it's been nice see you in the next video. Peace out.